the feather petal, I'm using a piece of 10 by 10 poly burlap. I did not heat seal or wood burn the edges, as you will not see the cut edges with this petal. You're going to start off with a 10 by 10 piece, curl up, turn it into a diamond shape, bring the top corner down to meet the bottom corner, line up the edges and press flat so you have this triangle shape. You're then going to stretch a little bit in the center, place your thumb just above the corner and your middle finger at the top. Take your right corner and bring it straight down, right before your finger, right down the middle. So it looks like this. Then you're going to take your left side, bring it right over to meet the edge of your petal. Turn it sideways, pinch in the center, bring the top down to the pinched center, bring the bottom corner to the pinched center, and flip it over, and that gives you your feather petal.